Let's discuss what is a closure and lexical scope in JavaScript. According to lexical scope, those functions which are declared inside another function can access variable which are declared outside of its scope. Scope can be nested. Here print a is an inner function which is able to access the variable which are declared in its outer scope. And the closure is a function which preserves its outer scope in its inner scope. Let's understand this better with the code. Here print a is a function which is declared inside of say hello. From here I am printing and accessing a value a which is declared outside of its scope. Here invoking a print a. Let's see this onto the console. Here I am able to print 10. That means print a is able to access a variable which is declared outside, means outside of its scope. This we call it as a lexical scope in JavaScript. To better understand closure, here I have declared a one function that is add. Inside this function, I have declared a variable a and assigned a value 1. Here I have declared another function add b which we call inner function to the add function, which is accepting a parameter b as its input, returning a value a plus b. It is adding this value and a parameter which is accepting. Here I am returning add b function. This is possible in JavaScript. We can return a function from another function. On line number 23 here, I am invoking a add function and capturing that result as a sum. That result is a function now. So we can invoke this function again. Here I am invoking that function again by passing a parameter 2. Indirectly, we are calling a function add b here by passing a value b to it. Now, if we see onto the console, it is printed 3. What is happening here is, first we are invoking a add function. So it is executing the add function. Now it is returned add b function as a output value from add function. Here this is preserving scope of our variables, that is a. That is the reason it is able to add 1 to the variable which we passed, that is 2. So the result we got is 3. This function which is preserving its outer scope variable, that is a value a. We call this function as a closure in JavaScript. In the above case, this is a closure because it is preserving the value, that is a, which is declared outside of its scope. So this is a closure and lexical scope in JavaScript.